In the event that you're searching for AAVE cost expectations conjecture for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2030, and need to know where the costs of AAVE will sort of go from now on, we will break down the in every practical sense past costs of AAVE, and we'll sort of figured out what specialists are talking about its future cost activities, which generally is very critical. If it's not too much trouble, for the most part remember that you really want to by and large take this expectation and each and every expectation with the aim that this is just the idea of some market master investigators. Also foreseeing something so wonderful is totally incomprehensible. In any case, we will make an honest effort. How about we start, or so they thought, of past value examination as per the most recent information assembled. The sort of current cost of AAVE certainly is $54.54. And AAVE really is as of now sort of position number 43 in the whole crypto biological system, in an essentially huge manner. The flow supply of AAVE really is 14,537,631 with a market cap of $792,831,475 in an unpretentious manner. For the most part beyond 24 hours, the crypto has been diminished by 0.07% in its certainly current worth, assuming we sort of think about the ongoing business sector cap of the AAVE with yesterday's. You can in every practical sense see that the market cap is additionally down, or so they thought. AAVE is confronting a tough time jumping aboard with especially other crypto coins. The AAVE is down to nearly 2.7% in every practical sense most recent 7 days. The coin especially is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining sections for pretty beyond couple of days. The coin could explicitly areas of strength for have at the same time. We don't believe that it would a beneficial resource in certainly present moment, or so they thought. Inside the sort of most recent 1 month, the cost of AAVE diminished by 35.399%, wiping out an incredible normal amount of $29.88 from its ongoing worth. This unexpected down implies that the coin in a real sense is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can truly be a decent purchase and open door for fundamentally speedy speculation. The 90 days cost change is near 36.48%, and the cost especially circled from a base typical cost of $78.13 to most extreme normal cost of $87.49. In the very beyond 90 days, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical, AAVE is somewhere near 3.88%. With the most extreme typical cost of the coin was around $56.04, and the base typical value of was around $54.17 in beyond 4 months. We foresee future AAVE cost expectations of estimate by applying profound man-made consciousness, helped specialized examination on the past value information of AAVE. We give our all to truly gather most extreme verifiable information for the AAVE coin, which in every practical sense incorporate different boundaries like truly past value, AAVE market cap, AAVE volume, and not very many more in a very significant manner. In the event that you really are hoping to put resources into advanced digital currencies, and truly need in every practical sense great profit from your speculations, make a point to peruse our expectations as a matter of fact. AAVE value expectation 2023 AAVE cost is figured to arrive at a most minimal conceivable degree of $73.89 in 2023. According to our discoveries, the AAVE cost could explicitly arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of $84.15. With the in every way that really matters, normal estimate cost of $76.48 amazingly. AAVE value expectation 2024. The cost of AAVE fundamentally is basically anticipated to in every way that really matters reach at the very least degree of $105.93 in 2024, which is very huge. The AAVE cost can arrive at a really most extreme degree of $128, with the typical cost of $108.99 all through 2024, in an unpretentious manner. Or so they especially thought. AAVE value gauge for 2025. The cost of AAVE really is anticipated to reach at least worth of $158.68 in 2025, which is very huge. The AAVE cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $184.70. with the typical exchanging cost of $163.03, all through 2025. AAVE value expectation 2026 AAVE cost is conjecture to for the most part arrive at a least conceivable degree of $225.82 in 2026. According to our discoveries, the AAVE cost could arrive at a most extreme sort of conceivable degree of $274.74, with the kind of typical gauge cost of $232.34, which is genuinely huge. AAVE value forecast 2027 the cost of one AAVE is supposed to reach at the very least degree of $325.98 in 2027. The AAVE cost can, in a real sense, arrive at a greatest degree of $383.91, with the typical cost of $337.60 all through 2027 in an unpretentious manner. AAVE value expectation 2028. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of AAVE in 2028, the cost of AAVE in every practical sense is estimated to basically be at around a truly least worth of $472.27. The AAVE value worth can really arrive at a limit of $564.78, with the typical exchanging worth of $485.78 in United States dollars. AAVE value expectation 2029. According to the gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2029, the cost of AAVE generally is fundamentally anticipated to reach at any rate level of $686.29. The AAVE cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $831.94, with the typical exchanging cost of $705.72. AAVE value estimate 2030 the cost of AAVE is anticipated to, in a real sense, reach at the very least worth of $967.72 in 2030. The AAVE cost could for the most part arrive at a by and large greatest worth of $1,199.74, with the extremely normal exchanging cost of $995.95 all through 2030 in opposition to mainstream thinking. As opposed to mainstream thinking, AAVE value expectation 2031. According to the conjecture and specialized examination, in 2031, the cost of AAVE is supposed to truly reach at least value worth of $1,425.87. The AAVE cost can arrive at an, in every practical sense, most extreme value worth of $1,667.24, with the really normal worth of $1,475.67. AAVE value forecast 2032 as per our profound specialized examination on certainly past value information of AAVE, in 2032, the cost of AAVE is for the most part anticipated to, in a real sense, reach at the very least degree of $2,091.40